Get ready for a recipe roller coaster ride filled with color, healthy ingredients, and delicious textures. We are going to do a vegetable rescue from our refrigerator today. And look at that. We will make not only our chopsuey vegetables, but we are transforming it into other recipes as well. Alright, let's get this party started. And look at these veggies. They're practically begging me to get chopped and diced for this healthy deliciousness we are preparing today. And I will start off with my bell peppers. The key to fast cooking is preparation. Our mise en place, cut into florets. Onions. Don't throw the stalk away. Trim off the ends and peel off the tough layer. Your chayote, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, and the key is mise en place. Prepare everything ahead of time before you start cooking. And everything is ready. My vegetables are chopped up. I have my meats. I have pork. I have seafood with shrimp. And of course, chicken livers. And here's a tip for you. Don't throw away your vegetable scraps. You can use it to make a beautiful vegetable or vegetable and chicken stock. Ay. And here's a useful tip for you. Don't throw away your vegetable scraps. Use it to make a beautiful stock. And let's start our cooking. We start off by blanching our hard vegetables. Boiling water and salt. Blanching not only fixes the color of our fresh vegetables, but also removes surface dirt and living microorganisms. Blanching is also a good way to preserve your vegetables if you have leftovers. You can also blanch your extra vegetables to keep it from wilting and turning yellow. Put our vegetables aside. You can actually drop them in iced water if you're not going to use them right away. But because I'm going to saute these right away, I don't need to drop it in an ice bath. While my wok is heating up, I will marinate my pork with a bit of soy sauce, black pepper, mix, starch, oil, very hot wok, and we are ready for our next chapter, the sizzling showdown in our pan. You can use chicken, add our aromatics, so bell peppers, onions, celery, and mushrooms. Now I add my chicken liver and shrimp. Toss everything. Season with our seasoning granules. Let it cook for a minute or two. And now we add our blanched vegetables. And we make a very delicious sauce. And we will use our vegetable stock to make our sauce for chopsuey. And we add our soy sauce, oyster sauce, add our starch to thicken. Mix, mix, mix. Be sure everything's dissolved before adding into our wok. Now it's time to add our cabbage and snap peas or our chicharo. Mix everything together. Drizzle with sesame oil. And finish with freshly cracked black pepper. Beautiful. So here's a healthy and saucy dish that will surely fill you up today. But we are not yet done. We are preparing 2 more recipes using the chopsuey vegetables but are not chopsuey. So I'm dividing this chop suey into 2 servings and see what I will do with the other half. Using the same wok, I will use all the stock, remaining stock, and we are adding chicken bouillon to our stock. And I'm using egg noodles today. That has been par cooked, blanched, and I'm just adding a bit of black pepper here and sesame oil and toss everything together. All we have to do is heat up our noodles and pour into our platter and top with our stir-fried vegetables. And now we have an instant noodle dish. So simple to do, so healthy, so delicious. There you have it. You can garnish with quail eggs. And for the other, we will just add fried garlic. And this is our third dish. It's like a chopsuey soup or called a hototai. Very popular in Chinese restaurants as well. And it's so simple to do. So you can use chicken stock, but I will just use a chicken cube to give my soup flavor. I'm adding here just slices of pork. You can use chicken as well. I will add my harder vegetables along with my onions, celery, carrots, chayote, cauliflower, and 3 kinds of mushrooms, the same ones we used for our chop suey. Let that simmer for a few minutes until our vegetables are done. Now we add our other ingredients. So chicken livers, peeled shrimp. Let that cook. After 30 seconds, I add my cabbage and snow peas. This soup really reminds me of Baguio. All the fresh highland vegetables. Very simple, clear broth. I season with salt. And for this, I love to use white pepper, a hint of sesame oil. Let that cook. Taste, taste, taste. Sarap. Very clean, simple flavors, and as soon as our pot is boiling again, we drop whole eggs to the soup. Or as many as you like. Stir gently. And we are done. So fresh, so pretty, and so easy to do. And this is our hototai soup. Yeah. And we can add our whole eggs at different times. One, while cooking our soup, and second, to serve. Let's finish with spring onions. A little bit more sesame oil. And a cracked egg in the middle. And we are done. And to give it a nice garlicky finish, fried garlic. Perfect sa tag-ulan. And for this recipe, we would like to thank Island Gas. And if you're loving this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Chef Tatung YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button for more videos. Kumakain na ako talaga. Now you can cook your favorite Chinese restaurant dishes at home using vegetables we usually have at home, prepared very simply for the entire family. We have ended up with 3 dishes: our chop suey, our egg noodles with vegetables, and our hototai soup. Now it's time for a party. Kain na!